Hello everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about the three fatal mistakes of social media, basically, which I see very commonly, and I did it myself actually. I think everybody does this or did it before. If you do it right now, then yeah, probably this is your wake-up call. So you have to stop it and you have to start doing what I'm suggesting. Okay, so let's start with the number one mistake, which is you don't do your research before. So before you start on any kind of social media platform, could it be TikTok, IG, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, any kind of platform, you have to consume for a week, every day for a little bit. I'm not saying that you should just you should just consume and entertain yourself or educate yourself. No, watch out for the little small kind of viral trends. Watch out for the kind of shift in the content, which is, for example, the most let's say relevant and most known change or difference between TikTok and LinkedIn is that if you go on LinkedIn and you start scrolling, you see that a lot of posts is professional. They have an email type, like, or let's say that's that, and this is a really stripped down version of what I'm trying to say here, but it's just basically kind of like sending emails to other people, especially in the messages. However, on TikTok, if you go down and scrolling on the comment section, everybody's vulgar, everybody's wanna, yeah, you know, you know what I mean, your mother, and basically everybody's hateful. And if you see the content on LinkedIn, I talked about it, that it's like an email, or at least really formal and really professional. However, on TikTok, you see the dude is jumping from a freaking plane out without any jumpsuit or anything. So yeah, basically one is this, which is highly professional content, or not professional content, but because on TikTok the content is still professional, but it's more like the educating side and not that much of an information side. Because if you see the biggest names on TikTok, is, yeah, all of them are entertainers and not educators who are informate you about certain things, certain businesses, like on LinkedIn. So this is what I'm trying to say here. So do your research before you start on your page. This is just the content type, and yeah, basically what you should post. This is the first step, and then you have to search for your niche. So basically, if you want to be a travel influencer, then you have to search for a lot of travel influencers on that platform and look what they posting, what's performed better, what's performed worst, and then what's in their bio. Sorry, I almost left it, but it's a really important step to focus on what's in their bio. The next step is look at your posts, look at their posts, sorry, and see what's trending, what's not, what's popping, what's not, and then go to the things that are popping and viral and have a few times more reach, few times more likes, or that metrics of this of that social media than the rest of the posts, and look at it as a hashtag perspective. Because yeah, you do your research in your niche, in your content type, and other kind of stuff, but the most important thing in almost every platform is hashtags. On IG, it's really important. On LinkedIn, it's really important again. On TikTok, not that much. On YouTube, it can help, but I recommend to look into tags there and how they works, and get something that show your SEO score. And yeah, basically that's it. So I talked about in my previous videos a lot in my hashtag strategies, my niche strategies, all the kind of stuff is in my previous videos. So if you want to check it out, because I think it's a really good way to assess your hashtag strategy. But the one thing, you have to research your hashtags, and you have to know what hashtag set you should use. And yeah, this should be changed. Mistake of the three is not putting enough effort to your site. Yeah, maybe you think you put enough effort, but let's say you post every day. No, then you don't. You post every day. Okay. How much follower are you? Okay, that's another topic. But if you are under 1,000 followers, you should use a growth hack. Any kind of growth hack, you need to use one. Follow for follow, liking, commenting, or not any kind of growth hack. You use all of them and get into 1,000 range, and then 4,000 or 5,000, because that's the basically that's the foundation where you can grow to. You have to growth hack yourself to 3,000 or 4,000, because that's the basically the how I can say this, sorry guys, the mark where you can snowball yourself and get normal reach if you build your audience really good, which I'm going to be talking, which I have a video about growing with engagement, and it's going to be a really good video, and you you should watch it if you didn't already, because I don't know if it comes after this or before this, but I think it will come after this, so watch it after this at the next posting day. Sorry guys. So you're not putting enough effort, because if you're not posting every day, then that's a waste. Yeah, maybe there are a few exceptions, because on YouTube posting every day is it's kind of hard, and there is not that much potential posting every day, or not saying that not that much potential, but for example on IG and on TikTok you probably can post every day, because it's not that hard. You just have to post something, at least a story on IG. But the next thing is consistency. So if you establish yourself that you're gonna post every Wednesday and Sunday, for example, then you have to post every Wednesday and Sunday, because you do it for a few months, and the algorithm will know when you post, and it's favor if you are posting every day, not every day, but every time when you should post, or at least something like that. And the algorithm likes when you are posting at the same time and the same kind of consistency, because yeah, it's a really good way. And think about it, if your followers is waiting for your next content, for example on Wednesday, and it didn't come, then they will be disappointed. So yeah, this is why the algorithm favors consistency too. And yeah, the last one about this mistake is not using all the features you can use. For example on IG you can use reels, stories, posts, guides, lives, carousels, IGTV videos, normal videos, and an endless list of features that you are not using or not using enough. Because for example with Reels on IG you can grow really fast, and you should use it if you have in your area. I currently don't have, which is my problem, but yeah. So basically that's the second mistake. And the final mistake, the third mistake, is only using one side. This is a crucial mistake which I'm responsible for too. By the way, the past was I responsible too, because yeah, it's kind of hard when you are starting out and you don't know all the stuff. But this is why I am here and why I'm telling you this. Before you start your own social media, you should look out for these mistakes. So let's say you're only using, for example, just IG. Then what I recommend is to start the other social media platform, preferably YouTube, because YouTube, everybody can start a YouTube channel, every brand, and influencer too. TikTok, yeah, you can start it if you want. However, it's a geo-based platform more than other platforms, just to keep in mind. LinkedIn is a more professional platform, so for example, for an entertainer, I'm not really recommending LinkedIn because it's not going to favor your entertaining values that much, or at least I found that it doesn't really care about entertaining, and it's more like a professional site. Yeah, there are a lot of other platforms which you can look into, like Snapchat, Reddit, and all that kind of platforms. And you should diversify your portfolio, let's say, your social media portfolio, and not just using IG or not just using TikTok. You should use TikTok with IG and with YouTube. That's the usual, let's say, influencer stack, which are usually used by influencers, because if they are starting out, then they are driving traffic from their TikTok to their IG and to their YouTube, as well as if they are not starting out, if they have a big amount of IG follower, let's say, then they will just capitalize on TikTok, and they already know what to post and how to post it and when to post it, probably, so they can leverage TikTok and gain a shit ton of followers with it. Basically, that's the main reason why they are using it and why TikTok is in the influencer stack. But yeah, so the first mistake is to start your next or multiple social media platforms, not just one, and you can start it at the get-go, because it's going to be a simultaneously growing, then it will be more favorable to you and more leverageable for you. So basically, yeah, these was the 3 mistakes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, because I did these mistakes too, and I learned a lot from it, and I hope you guys will too, because these are crucial mistakes, by the way, which I think almost everybody do. So do your own research, put in enough effort, guys, and then diversify. Or not then, you can start diversifying at the beginning, but you should do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative. If you do, please hit the like button, comment down below your opinion, as well as turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.